Yo, I'm gonna put on a track, guys.
Yo, fuck this guy.
Show y'all something
He's
from
gonna
my
have
new
to
tape,
get you
man.
a job at like Deals or something.
I should do it.
I mean, you're not showing that much right now. I think you're supposed to do something across and then be like, oh shit.
Right, look at me. I'm the one gaining weight, I'm stressing.
He's getting the weight for you. That's good, that's what you want.
Johnny too.
Whatever you're doing, don't make you a little bit scared. I talked about this earlier. If it don't make you a little bit scared about your next step, it ain't worth you. It's about a challenge. So the fact that it made me scared, I said, let's go.
Lately, I've been dreaming about succeeding. I'm driven by these people who tell me that they believe in, cause this 9 to 5 just ain't cutting. I'm tired of doing $1 million in work and receiving nothing, but my boss is mugging. I strive for greatness and not really to be famous, just to be heard and quoted. The motive is getting noticed. I want respect, I want respect. I want my music to touch your souls. You see, I strive to connect. I put these words on paper, hoping you push play. My words are in your head all day and I ain't trying to get paid. I'm just trying to make an impact. You get nothing if you sit back and wait for life to form itself and fall in your lap. I always been the type to use everything I have, not complain about what I had. Take everything I could grab, man, that's just who I am. You can't shoot down my dreams, you can't shut up my mouth. I'll continue to do this as long as my heart could pound. They say, why you do this if no hope could be found? I say, if and when for this, don't know where I'd be now. I always been a dreamer with my head in the clouds. I just hope in the end that I'm making you proud with my dreams. For those who stuck around to this day, with mama say, why you do this if you ain't getting paid? With my dreams, negativity won't tear me apart. Plus I never been the type to give up what I start. I've grinded so hard, there's no way I haven't put my time in. But I'm reminded it's all about proper timing. Though my music's hot enough to change the climate, I just gotta be patient and humble and continue grinding. And one day they'll be rewinding my music. I'm here just to try and influence, cause trust me, I know the struggle, homie, we all been through it. That's why on every track I hit, I try and give you my fullest, and not feed into bullshit, but simply give y'all the truest. I've lived in some conditions, not faded to the vision of the American dream. The reality of things are always different. No heater in the winter, no AC for the summer, but I never complain, just grinding to live my life in comfort. Never needed to live in lavish, though the vision has advantage. Shit, my focus now is making the music organic. So put your lighters in the air if you can understand it. I don't wanna rule the world, just have an impact on the planet. They say, why you do this if no hope could be found? I say, if and when for this, don't know where I'd be now. I always been a dreamer with my head in the clouds. I just hope in the end that I'm making you proud with my dreams. Love to those who stuck around to this day. With mama say, why you do this if you ain't getting paid? With my dreams, negativity won't tear me apart. With plus I never been the type to give up what I start. But my dreams,
live simply so other people can simply live.